Hey, my name is Pia. Today I would like to tell you about my favorite song. I have a lot of favorite songs, but currently I love somebody. This song was sung by Maroon 5. They are my favorite band. Uh, this song's about a man want to love somebody, want to have somebody, to care about somebody, to touch somebody, to think about. I listen to this song in all of my free time. I love this song very much because of the singer. He my idol. Meaningful lyric, vibrant melodies, and vocal filled with emotion. I think it's a nice song. I think everyone should listening to this song. I will never stop listening to this song. Goodbye.